Welcome to Uneatly Tae Christmas 2020, providing you with lots of holiday cheer with DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, please stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So let's get right into Vlogmas Day 4.
Go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, last night, last night, last night. It's cold outside, last night.
Alright, I'm going to let y'all see what I have. I have an apron that I'm going to get. I have the writing icing and regular icing. I may not keep the regular icing. Well, not the regular icing, the writing icing. I may just end up using my food coloring and making my own colors. I'm not for sure just yet, but these are all that I have for right now. Let's keep shopping. Alright, y'all, I'm back in the car. Just came out of Dollar General. Let me take my mask off. And this is our second child that we have picked off the angel tree. If anybody has never donated and sponsored a child during Christmas time, it is so important. There's so many families out there that are going through financially, emotionally, and not just only because of the pandemic, but there are people that are going through every day before the pandemic even started, and a lot of people have money to pay their bills and to make ends meet with food and water a lot of times, and sometimes people don't. But when you tag in Christmas, being able to buy gifts for your kids and things that they need, like, it is a lot. And I always feel like we should be a blessing to each other. And my family, we always sponsor a few kids every year. And this is my second one. So on this angel tree sponsorship, the request was diapers, musical toys, learning toys, and we got a big box of diapers right here. A box of diapers. We grabbed a cute little teddy bear right here at the take. Mind you, I have to label all this stuff. We got a toboggan because you know we're going to have some real cold days. And I like the fact it has like a little shark. I think it's a shark, yeah. Little shark or a dinosaur head, whichever one it is. Got a toboggan with matching mittens. Right. Here are some of the educational toys that was on the wish list, and my oldest daughter, she loved this. This was one of her favorite toys when she was a baby. They are so cute. This child is 7 months old, so we made sure everything was age appropriate. This cute little turtle, I thought that was so cute. And on the inside, there's like little balls, like a mirror and stuff like that. Real cute. And this wasn't on the list, but I mean, everybody knows when you buy diapers, you need wipes. It wasn't a request, but it was just a thought, because we know with the big box of diapers you got to have some wipes, so why not? So we got a big pack of wipes to go along with the box of diapers. And I'm getting ready to label everything, and then I will be on my way to Salvation Army. So I'll be back in a few minutes once I get finished labeling all the boxes and stuff. Okay, I'm back home, and earlier I was mentioning to all of you that we sponsored another child. So we sponsored 2 kids, and I'm showing you this sponsorship from the Angel Tree. So we got her 3 outfits. This one is like a sweatshirt and jeans. Another sweatshirt with some sweatpants and some cute little jeggings with a top. Try to make sure she was nice and warm. Some gold sparkle boots. All of these were on her list. Her wish list items were the Barbie and the little makeup, which is actually just lip balm that I bought because she's only 3. And my girls were still putting a lot of stuff in their mouth at 3, so I didn't want her eating any like makeup, so we just got the lip balm instead. But I love everything we got. Make sure you all go out and support a child if you can. And thank you all for joining me for another episode of Uneatly Tae. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to always create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a time for joy, it's a time for peace. Let's give a voice to the ones in need. Let us say a prayer, let this Christmas time bring the best of all in us. And deep in our hearts,